My name is Javed Malik. You are watching EME Technologies channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's start. Friends, myself is Javed Malik. Let's start. First of all, click on AutoCAD 2D template. First of all, take line, ortho mode on, draw a line of 90 mm. Move that line upward direction and again draw a line of from center midpoint draw a circle of dia 85 mm. Choose the intersect of these two lines and of pressing diameter and diameter 85 mm, and then draw a pitch circle dia 68 mm, and then draw a circle of radius 70 mm and take a line and select that intersection point and enter a distance of 100. Angle is 225. Similarly, draw angle here. Distance is 100. Angle is less than 315. Enter and draw a circle of dia 50 mm. Draw a circle of dia 8 mm. Select trim tool, select the line to trim, say the lines, and then trim the circle, and then draw a circle of radius 20 mm. And then draw a dia of 22 mm. Then select mirror tool about a center line. Then select star center radius option, maintain a radius of 90. Then again select mirror trim tool, select entities about reference and then entities to trim. Then select circle tangent radius option, radius of 8 mm. Similarly put here radius of 8 mm. Select trim tool, then trim here object, Then again select circle center radius and enter a diameter of 22 mm. Then select polar array, select entities to polar, select center point, enter number of holes 6, associative of Nokia, close array. Then select text tool, draw a text to enter the object name, select body, select uppercase, then select close text editor. Move the text to here. Selecting all center line and do the transparency option up to 60 mm. All objects are transparent, but the transparency option is hide here. So click on transparency button and then this is transparency. You can off the transparency option by clicking on transparency and we can on the transparency option. In drafting setting, the tools which are in cyan color are in on feature and the tool are in gray color are in off condition. We can change the text of body color from here. We can change it to any color. And we can select millions of color from more color option. 255 color combination. Again select more colors. True color option, you can select true color here, the index color and true color. You can increase hue, saturation and illumination values via here. The change color will show in here recent color option, or you can select color book. Here is a very number of red, green, blue combination and in a dictionary format of colors. Okay, you can select, give it a name dic 132 and these options are available in recent color options. Thanks for watching this video. For more video, please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel.
Please give feedback for this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.